trespassing in this city and on this planet.
It means get lost, Squidward.
He exhausts me. Bring me the stone.
Ben, you want a piece?
No, not really, but when do I ever get what I want?
That's right. Been a while. It's good to have you, buddy.
I need to concentrate here for a second. Come on, Max.
Where's your gun?
I don't know, we should have been having a thing.
There's no time for a thing.
I know.
That's the thing right there. Let's go. Dude, you're embarrassing me in front of the
I'm
wizards.
sorry, I can't or he won't.
It's all right.
Like, I don't...
Hey, stand down. Keep an eye on him. Thank you.
I have him. Where'd that come from?
It's nanotech. You like it? A little something. Mr. Banner, if the rest of your green friend won't be joining us. We gotta get that stone out of here now.
It stays with me.
Exactly. Bye.
Tony, you okay? How we doing? Good, Pat?
Really, really good. Really good. Do you plan on helping out?
I'm trying, he won't come out.
Hammer.
Come on, Hulk. What are you doing to me? Come out. Come out. Come out. What do you mean, no?
Hey, man. What's up, Mr. Stark?
Kid, where'd you come from?
A field trip to Nova! What is this guy's problem, Mr. Stark?
He's from space. He came here to steal a necklace from a wizard.
Your powers are quaint. You must be popular with children.
It's a simple spell, but quite unbreakable.
Then I'll take it off your corpse.
You find removing a dead man's spell troublesome.
You'll only wish you were dead.
Kid, that's the wizard. Get on it.
On it!
Not cool. Gotcha.
Mr. Stark, I'm being beamed up.
Hang on, kid.